any negative thought causes the imbalance in the energy body, and negative thoughts consequently create the negative emotions, and these negative emotions cause the blockage in the body of energy. Energy cannot move freely, the well-being flow gets interrupted, and we get all the types of, you can say, mismanagement in the body, mind, emotions, relationship, and in the oral every area of our life. Here you see it has been shown the different channels of the meridians. In these meridians, these energy flows, what we call in the yogic language as the nadis. Nadis are the pran carriers, what we call in yogic language, chi, they call in Chinese. And here it has been shown that there are 14 meridians. Each single meridian is having one connected with one organ of the body, except the two meridians. The central conception, it is in front, and the governing vessel. These two meridians don't have the organ. Otherwise, every single meridian or the channel, the energy channel contains all the different types of organs. Different types of organs connected with each channel. Next slide. Here also it has been shown acupressure points. There are total 500 acupressure points overall running in the body, in these 14 meridians, the channels. And Gary Craig says that we have got certain points in our body which are called the end of those meridians, where energy gets totally stuck up. If we, by EFT, by tapping those particular points, we are able to release the blocked energy. And when the energy is reset, when the energy is balanced, all the disorders, whether it is in the body in the form of any disease, or in the mind in the form of doubt, confusion, worry, loneliness, aloneness, whatever it is, it really gets over. Now here, yes, next slide, please. Yes, beautifully it has been explained. Any distressing memory, any distress, you are sitting in a very comfortable place, most relaxing mode. All of a sudden, a memory, a thought in the form of memory comes. My husband, the other day, what he did with me, how he can talk to me like that. I can never bear that. That distressing memory, whatever the thought, or the visual, or the feeling comes in the mind, it causes a disturbance in the body of energy. It is shown in the center when a proper supply is not being supplied. You must have seen in the rainy days, when the rain start very heavily, all of a sudden we don't get the proper signal in our television channel, and we cannot see the movie or the whatever we are seeing that in the television. So here also, it is written there that creates a zzz motion. That means very much disturbance in your body, which causes the physical or emotional response. Suppose you think about the thoughts about worry, the thoughts about, अगर आप अपने मन में गुस्से के विचार को ले आते हैं, चिंता के विचारों को ले आते हैं, नाराजगी के विचारों को ले आते हैं, भय के विचारों को ले आते हैं, तो ऑल दीज थॉट, ये सभी विचार आपके मन में भय को, चिंता को, नाराजगी को, गिल्ट फील को ले आते हैं. दीज थॉट्स क्रिएट अ फीलिंग, एंड दैट फीलिंग causes a disturbance in this energy body. And because of this, the cause of all negative emotion, as I already told you, is a disruption in the energy body. हमारी जिंदगी में जो भी negative बातें, what are the negative things we come in our life, it is only consequently as a result of the negative emotions. So now, yes, next slide. Yes, here also it has been shown different emotions what we pass through in day-to-day life: depression, doubt, despair, shame, sadness, fear, frustration, guilt, envy, grief, jealousy, loneliness, shame, all these different emotions. And we are the slave to our emotions. We do not even come to know when, how we get caught up totally helplessly under these negative emotions. Yes. And here also it has been shown